Hi guys, welcome to my page. Kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. What are we cooking today? We are cooking boiled plantain. At times you just want to be creative, or you get tired of particular food. It's not every time you take fried plantain, roasted plantain, or whatsoever form of plantain. Just like, let me just make it different today. Now that's why I decided to make boiled plantain. Yes, and this boiled plantain I'm going to be using with my sauce, corned beef sauce. Yes, please guys, if you're just joining my page, kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. So once I'm done boiling the plantain, I'm going to peel the wraps. Yes, I'm going to peel the wraps, and before it is ready to eat. Thank you guys, stay tuned and watch to the end. Bye.